Did you know that Kentucky Fried Chicken used to serve fried livers, deep fried livers? So we're going to do the livers. Well, beautiful pastured chicken livers. They should really have no smell. And you see how nice and dark they are? They almost look like calf's liver. All right, so there's our marinated livers, our marinated chicken. And typically I do this in the morning and put it in the fridge, put it in the fridge, and then it's ready for when you're making chicken at night, doing your chicken. If you're doing a Sunday lunch, you might want to do this the night before. So we're going to do our meatloaf with grass-fed beef. We're going to do some breadcrumbs soaked in cream to add to this, and that's very important, especially if you're doing grass-fed meats, because they tend to be quite lean. And you want this meatloaf to be really succulent and moist. And that's where the breadcrumbs and the cream come in. The peel can be kind of bitter. Yeah, and in the carrots, there's no particular reason to leave the peel on. The peel doesn't have any concentration of nutrients like a potato does. Yes, so. Remember, you're cooking for people who don't like health food, right? Don't want to have anything to do with health food. So you have to be very careful that you don't have odd tastes, odd textures in the food. You don't want them to know. Okay. You could put vegetables in here. You could put cut up carrots, onions, mushrooms, potatoes, sweet potatoes, turnips, yams, you name it, beets, and just bake it all together. I would cut them fairly small so they get cooked right through. And you have a one-pan meal here. Very easy one-pan meal.